Alright, I'm back. It's Nafal here from Opdrip. So I want to create this workflow and share with you guys. I haven't seen it in a while, so I thought it would be a good reminder. So this workflow, it has various different use cases. So if you are a recruitment consultant and you're looking to see job vacancies there are for a certain role and then using that as outreach, then you can do this with. If you're looking to see if a particular company is looking at developers, so that potentially means that, you know, they could be in the market for your software development agency, or same again, if they're hiring for sales reps, right, that could be a reason to show that they're in growth mode. So it's a very flexible workflow, and I think all companies should have this kind of go-to-market flow in-house because, yeah, it's super flexible and it just kind of refreshes every, single week and day if you wanted to. So it's utilizing Apify as the tool to scrape all of these leads. So we'll go into that and show you how to do that. And then we'll go into Clay to help qualify and filter what you need, right? And then that will basically be it. So in terms of, I'm not going to teach you how to do a job search, but just whatever you want to scrape, right? Feel free to just create the most perfect link for yourself. So yeah, do the job titles, do the industries, most recent post or whatever, right? Just get what you need from this link. So when you go into Apify itself, you want to find this actor called LinkedIn Jobs, Advanced LinkedIn Job Scraper. Okay. Now, for those that don't know what Apify is, it's basically a marketplace of loads of different scrapers. So you can get a free account and then you can do a trial actually. And then what you have to do actually, first of all, is you want to get a cookie, right, from your LinkedIn. So it actually gives you the instructions here. So you just got to download a Chrome extension and then go to LinkedIn and then copy and paste that code into here, right? So it's very, very easy. I was doing it in Arc and I actually found a bit of a trouble, so I just went back to Chrome. All right, so then you put in your job search link. Then you want to just leave that as blank, I would say, so you just scrape everything. Now, make sure you save it, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to create a task, okay? So you create a task, name it whatever you want. And then when you've done the task, right? I'm just going to do one, sorry. Save the task, right? Then you can press start, okay? Now, once you've done that, that's all good. You just want to make sure that you do one thing, right? You just let that run. You want to go into your API settings, right? So you just want to get your code and then connect it into Clay. So yeah, what you want to do is then you want to get your API key and put it into Clay here, right? So here you can kind of add your own key. Here's just my client's key. And then here you can see all the tasks, right, that I've created for him. But then of course, yeah, if you were to have your own tasks, you just have your tasks in here. And then you can also choose a specific, like if there was a specific run that you wanted to do, like maybe yesterday's one or the day before or whatever, then just choose. Now, once you've done, you then basically have the table here in Clay, right? So it basically pulls all of the information regarding the company, or regarding the job vacancy itself. So the title, description text, etc., etc. Okay, and then there, I would say that you first of all need to find the domain, right? So you can use Clay's free Clearbit Enrichment to use the company name here to find the company URL. If you get some gaps, then I'll just use Claygen. Those that don't know what Claygen is, it's basically a AI web scraper where you can instruct it to do like, go Google and find me some news over the last 3 months, or go and find me the domain URL using the company name, right? These kind of things. And then what I also did is find using same methodologies, get the company employee size as well from here. And then this one's different. So this is using, so yeah, actually let me just show you the prompts. Yeah, so basically like, yeah, go to the LinkedIn and find their employees. If not, then use other databases. This one is, yeah, like visit the website and just tell us if this is so we're looking at private advisory, wealth management, insurance, right? That's the ICP. So we're looking for those types of companies. And then because we're looking for a specific size of company and then specific company, we want to make sure that both are hitting. So here you can see that this is within ICP, that you got a little checkbox there. And then if they get a little checkbox, then we can go and find the people, right? And then once we found the people, so what we did is we used the Apollo people finder to find the job titles, right? And then once we've got those people, we would basically transfer them, write them to another table where we will be, doing, email enrichment, first lines and whatever that we need there. So that's basically it. Nothing too complex, but very useful in terms of, what you can do. Many different use cases for this. So if you need some help setting this up, if you want to set this up in your own company, send me a DM. But other than that, hope you enjoyed this show today. Hopefully I'll be posting more daily basis, at least minimum 3 times a week. So hold me to that. Thanks for your time, guys, and all the best.